How to contact IMO customer support. Need to talk to someone? This guide shows you how to contact IMO customer support so you can get help with your problems. The most direct way to contact IMO customer support is through the app itself. Go to your Me page and then find settings. Look for the help and feedback or report a problem option. This will open a form just like this, where you can describe your problem. You can also attach screenshots or videos to help the support team understand the problem. You can also contact IMO customer support through their social media accounts. You can find them on Facebook, Twitter, and on social media platforms. You can send them a direct message or leave a comment on their page. This can be a quick way to get a response from the support team. You can also go to IMO's website to find the Contact Us or support page. This will give you a phone number or an email address to contact them. It is a great way to help with your problems. You now know how to contact IMO customer support. Get ready to get help with your problems. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.